In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a new employee to QuickBooks Online. This process might seem a bit daunting at first, but I'll walk you through each step carefully, ensuring you have everything you need to get it right. So, let's dive in and see how this is done efficiently. The first step you'll need to take is heading over to the QuickBooks Online site. Simply open your web browser and type in qbo.intuit.com in the address bar. Once you arrive at the QuickBooks Online homepage, you'll need to sign in with your existing account credentials. This is your gateway to accessing all of your financial data, so be sure your login details are handy. After successfully logging in, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here you should see an option labeled Payroll. Click on this to advance to the next stage of our process. The payroll menu is where you'll manage all salary and wage-related tasks for your employees, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section if you haven't already. Once you're in the payroll menu, you'll find an employees section. Click on employees to view your current list of employees, and this is where you'll be adding new members to your team. Adding a new team member is simple. Look for the Add an Employee or Add Employee button. Clicking on it will allow you to enter the new employee's details into your QuickBooks system. Next, it's time to fill in the personal information of your new employee. In this section, you'll need their full name and address and their social security number, which is crucial for payroll compliance. You have the option to include their email, which can be invaluable if you wish to provide pay stubs online. Take your time here and ensure the information entered is complete and accurate. Now let's move to the employment details. This involves crucial aspects such as setting the pay rate and schedule. Here you'll configure how much the employee will earn and how often they will be paid, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or otherwise. At this stage, it's also essential to enter any federal and state tax details along with any other deductions or benefits that may apply to the employee. These details are vital to ensure proper tax withholdings and benefits management. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all entered information. Double-check every detail to ensure accuracy, as mistakes here can lead to complications down the line. Once you're satisfied, click Save. Your new employee will now be part of your QuickBooks system. Finally, you have the option to invite your new employee to access their payroll information directly through QuickBooks. Sending them an email invitation allows them to view their pay stubs and monitor their payroll information at their convenience. This optional step is a great way to boost transparency and communication within your organization. And there you have it. You've successfully added an employee to QuickBooks Online. With this guide, you'll manage your employees with greater ease and efficiency. Thanks for following along, and see you in the next tutorial.